Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play local co-op in Goat Simulator 3. This game offers a fantastic local multiplayer experience, allowing you and your friends to cause chaos together. The only way to enjoy local co-op is through split screen, supporting up to 4 players simultaneously. You will need a compatible controller for each person joining the fun. To begin your local co-op adventure, first launch Goat Simulator 3 on your console or PC. Once the game is running, you can either start a brand new game or load up an existing save file where you've already made some progress. Before inviting friends, make sure all the extra controllers are properly connected and recognized by your system. With your game loaded and controllers ready, inviting friends to join is straightforward. While you are playing, a second player simply needs to press a designated button on their connected controller, usually the Start or Options button. The game will then automatically activate split screen, adding them to your session. You can repeat this for a third and fourth player, filling all 4 available slots. Now that everyone is in, prepare for some shared Goat mayhem. You and your friends can explore the expansive world, complete various missions, and discover secrets as a team. Engage in hilarious physics-based antics, from headbutting objects to launching yourselves across the map. Goat Simulator 3 offers unique challenges and endless fun when experienced with up to 3 other players locally.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.